Jaden. Good boy.
There's a Ashton.
Oh, he does.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
you got a shirt on, Lucy. That's all right.
And he got dirty. Wash your hands.
His ear.
Oh.
Atta boy. Yeah, that's what boys are made for.
He's not afraid to get dirty, that's for sure.
On the ball. Well, he was right on that ball, man. That's 140 and two.
Yeah, Ashton?
Yeah. I mean, he goes right on there like.
Aww.
Good boy, Ashton.
There he goes.
Look at that.
He runs. Jaden, why don't you run?
Jaden doesn't run. Jaden's not a big runner yet.
Good boy, Ashton. Good boy. You're a wild man like your daddy was.
Jaden, get your little butt over here. Go over there.
Throw the ball.
Keep right back. Don't freak.
Ashton, throw the
He's
ball.
coming right back. Ashton, throw the ball.
Ashton, hey, throw the ball.
I'm fine, you're fine.
Don't leave me with these maniacs.
Jaden, stop it. Let's go see what Peyton's doing.
No, Jaden just started crying.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the ball.
Let's go find Miss Peyton.
Watch out. Oh, right here.
Hello. What are you guys doing?
Something.
This is Peyton, Maddie.
Aiden, come here.
You guys playing dolls?
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
I'm being sister.
Ooh, you look pretty. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Playing with the dolls.
Gotta get something on my bag.
Hi, Jaden.
Tita, hi. Love you.
Let me kiss.
Little Peyton,
Mwah,
4
thank
years
you.
old.
Whoa, when did you get there? Jaden. Hi.
Everyone say bye.
Bye. Pink, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.